Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can use Linktree for your TikTok account, so you guys can add multiple links and then add it on your TikTok profile. First step, make sure your TikTok is a business TikTok account, then you can move on to the next step, which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to your browser and then you want to go to linktree.com. Alright, so this is the official website of Linktree over here. So I'm gonna go on linktree.ee. So linktr.ee. That's the official website. Alright, once you're over here and log in into your account, make sure you add over here where it says click on add new link, and over here where it says title, you can name this link whatever you want. So I'm gonna name this link website, and I'm gonna enter the URL of my website. You can copy and paste the URL of whatever thing you want. Alright, after you do it, click on done. Now this is added. Now once all the links you want to add is over here, like multiple links, what you can do is at the top where it says upgrade, right beside upgrade, you can see this little button. Click on it, click on copy. Once you do that, your Linktree link has been copied. Now I can go back to TikTok and click on edit profile, and on your edit profile there should be a website. Alright, click on it and then paste the thing which you just copied over here and click on save. Once you do that, your website link will be added over here, so people can just click on your Linktree and all the list of your link is going to be shown over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can use Linktree for TikTok to add multiple links. So hope you understand. Hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. Bye bye.